Saving $10,000 can feel impossible when you're starting from zero, especially if you're living paycheck to paycheck. But here's the truth, it's not only possible, it's predictable. And today, I'm going to show you how to make it happen. In this video, we're breaking down a step-by-step plan to save your first $10,000 without a side hustle, without extreme budgeting, and without depending on luck. Whether your bank account has $5 or $500, this approach meets you where you are and shows you how to move forward with what you already have. I'll even break down a super simple scenario so you can see how doable this really is. Welcome back to Smart Money MVP, where we break down money stuff in a way that actually makes sense. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss future videos to help you take control of your finances, one smart move at a time. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room. Most people think they can't save money because they don't earn enough. But I've seen people hit $10,000 goals while making minimum wage because it's not just about income. It's about intention, automation, and being honest with your numbers. Here's where most people get stuck. They try to save whatever's left over at the end of the month, but usually there's nothing left. The big difference between people who struggle to save and people who consistently build wealth comes down to one thing. They save first, not last. It's called paying yourself first, before rent, before spending. You move a small chunk into savings automatically, and suddenly you're not waiting on perfect timing. You're building the habit today. All right, let's make this real. Here's exactly how you start. Step 1. Automate your savings. The most powerful way to build that habit? Automate it. The moment your paycheck hits, set up a recurring transfer to move $20, $50, or $100 into a separate savings account. You don't see it. You don't think about it. And that's the point. You can set this up through your bank or use apps like Ally, Capital 1360, Chime, or SoFi. The goal is to make saving the default, not a choice you have to remember. Let me tell you about Jasmine. She's 29, works full-time, and takes home about $3,000 a month. No kids, no luxury lifestyle, but still felt broke 2 days after payday. One day, she set a big goal. Save $10,000 as fast as possible. No side hustle. No extreme couponing. Just with her regular paycheck. First, she automated $600 a month into savings. That felt like a stretch, until she found the leaks. She canceled 3 unused subscriptions, saved $45. Cooked at home instead of Uber Eats, saved $150. Called her car insurance company and switched plans, saved $90. That's nearly $300 a month right there. Over 14 months with a little help from a tax refund and selling a few items on Facebook Marketplace, Jasmine saved $10,172.60. No burnout, no big raise, just small, smart decisions done consistently. If Jasmine can do it with $3,000 a month, imagine what you could do starting today. Step 2. Track your spending. Here's your next step. Track every dollar for 30 days. No shame, no restrictions. Just watch where your money goes. You might think you know, but little habits add up fast. That $4 coffee 5 times a week, that's $80 a month. A $9.99 subscription you forgot, that's $120 a year. Use a notes app, spreadsheet, or free tools like EveryDollar. The goal isn't perfection, it's awareness. Because once you see it clearly, you can start making changes without feeling deprived. Step 3. Cut 3 recurring costs. Now that you've tracked your spending, look for 3 recurring charges you can cancel or reduce. fast wins only. Think unused streaming services, that gym membership you forgot about, or premium app upgrades you're not even using. The average person has 7 to 10 subscriptions. Cut just 3, and you could free up $50 to $150 a month without changing your lifestyle. Step 4. Follow a rule or challenge. At this point, you've built momentum. Now let's keep it going with a system. Try the 70-20-10 rule. Live on 70% of your income, save 20%, and use the remaining 10% for guilt-free spending. Or take on a fun savings challenge, like the No Spend Weekend, the 100 Envelope Challenge, or auto-boosting your savings by 1% each month. Make it visual. Use a wall chart, savings tracker, or app. Motivation comes and goes, but systems stick. Saving $10,000 isn't just a dream, it's a formula. And now you've got the blueprint. You don't need a second job or extreme hustle, you need a plan, some consistency, and the belief that your money can finally start working for you. If this video gave you even a small sense of clarity or confidence with your money, hit the like button and go ahead and subscribe. Thanks for watching.